As the world's first jumbo jet, it offered unprecedented range, size, and passenger capacity, becoming a symbol of global connectivity and luxury in the sky. However, after more than 5 decades of service, the 747's era came to a tragic end as technology grew and fuel prices skyrocketed. For airlines, the economics of operating such a massive plane became increasingly challenging. The 747 was designed in an era when fuel prices were relatively low, but as fuel costs soared in the 2000s, more efficient and economical twin-engine jets began to take over. Planes like the Boeing 787 Dreamliner and Airbus A350 could fly just as far as the 747, but with significantly less fuel, making them more attractive to cost-conscious airlines. On top of this, the aviation industry shifted toward point-to-point travel over large, connecting hubs, reducing the need for ultra-large aircraft. COVID-19 accelerated the 747's decline. With passenger numbers plummeting, many airlines decided to retire their remaining 747 fleets earlier than planned. The sight of grounded 747s became common, with iconic airlines like British Airways, Qantas, and KLM announcing they would no longer operate the plane. Yet, the 747's impact on aviation is undeniable. It is simply the greatest plane to ever hit the skies. Rest in peace, Boeing 747, 1970 to 2023.